Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Tacoma radiator. First, ensure your engine is cool. Safely lift the front of your truck and support it with jack stands. Place a large drain pan underneath the radiator. Locate the drain cock, usually on the bottom passenger side, and carefully open it. Let all the old coolant completely drain out. This step is crucial for a clean and safe replacement. Now, with the coolant drained, it's time to disconnect the hoses. Loosen the clamps and carefully remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. If your Tacoma has an automatic transmission, you'll also need to detach the two transmission cooler lines. Next, unbolt and remove the fan shroud, then unbolt the radiator itself. You can now carefully lift the old radiator out of the engine bay. With the old radiator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully lower your new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly in its mounts. Reinstall all the mounting bolts and secure the fan shroud. Now, reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure their clamps are tight. Double-check all connections to prevent any future leaks. Finally, reconnect the transmission cooler lines if you detached them earlier. Close the radiator drain cock. Now, slowly fill the radiator with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically a 50/50 mix. Start the engine with the heater on high and allow it to warm up, bleeding any air from the system. Top off the coolant as needed and thoroughly check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.